Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? So let's start with our readings for the day. Let's see what is in store for you today. Okay, now that's a couple of cards which came out even today. This time, four cards have come out, so I guess let's go with that. A day of harmony. That's a beautiful start. A day of mental compliance. Let's see what are the other two cards that are coming. Okay, you need to work on your root chakra. That's something which is completely understandable, and rejoice. So overall it's a beautiful day. Overall is a day when a lot of good things are coming. But let's first focus on this card, because this is a card for base chakra. Now since it's base chakra, the color, let's work on the color red today. And today, start your day affirming 21 times, I have everything in this life and I am blessed. Also, today you can do a meditation for 10 minutes focusing on your base chakra. The sound or the beej mantra for base chakra is lam. So you can say again 21 times lam, and you can focus on it, or you can go to Google on YouTube and you can pick up some base chakra meditation and also work with it. Sometimes when this comes, it's basically that you balance your chakra in such a way that it is beneficial, and then you are able to accomplish everything: harmony, rejoicing, and mental compliance. Overall, if you see, the cards are saying you might have some self-doubt, because when it comes to mental compliance, it means that there is an assistance that you need, or there's a guidance you need, because you feel, what if you're doing the wrong decision? So maybe even for that, the root chakra meditation has come today. So first, start your day with root chakra, and whatever confusions you have, whatever doubts you have, whether you will be able to do it, whether you will be successful, will end up in happiness. You will be able to take the right decisions, you will be able to make the right choices, and you will be harmonious. First, sit down and make a note of things where you feel you're doubtful about making decisions. Then do the root chakra meditation, and then you will feel a lot of change in the energies. Today also, if possible, have apple. Work more on red today, so wear the color red. Do your chakra meditation, do the affirmations the way I said, and at the end you will feel that yes, you were rejoiced, you were celebrating. Maybe rejoice can also mean that some unexpected guests are coming, but these guests will make you happy. They will not make you sad. You will feel happy that you had company and things were happy at the end of the day. So have a beautiful and a harmonious day ahead. Thank you.